Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn snowflakes faster without completing the daily quest in Dress to Impress game on Roblox, new winter update or Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to earn the snowflakes faster, you can go to the free play mode and then you can go outside the building right here and you will see the snowflakes spawn, but you need to be careful. Wait, let me search for the snowflakes. Okay, this is the snowflake. Okay, you can farm these snowflakes just like farming the cash. Okay, right here again the snowflakes, and just keep farming here guys. And you don't need to do the daily quest, but just keep farming here on the free play mode. Okay, it's right here, but be careful of the bear. Okay, you can also go to the Santa's workshop and create a gift right here. It will give you snowflakes as well. You can create present. Okay guys, and that's how you can farm the snowflakes faster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.